Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to share or transfer a contact from your Android phone to another Android device or share it through another medium. A few different options we're going to explore today, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the phone app. So we're just going to swipe up on our home screen and select the phone app on this page, and then locate the contact that you want to share. And up at the top right, three-dotted icon, go ahead and select that and select where it says share, and then select continue. And at this point, you can share it over Gmail, Google Drive, a text message perhaps, or Bluetooth. If you select quick share with another Android device, you can actually go ahead and use a QR code if you're also on quick share on that device too. So you come back into here, and then you would be able to share it directly with that device. If you use a QR code, you just would use your camera on the other device and then take a picture of it, and then it would download it to that phone. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.